बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। I welcome to all from Dar-e-Arqam school system. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome to all from Dar-e-Arqam school system. Today we are going to start our topic of subject maths. And the topic is concept of addition and concept of subtraction. This is your countdown page number 1, 2 and 3. The main points are addition and subtractions, division and multiplications, and then greater than and less than. Now come toward the question number 1 of your countdown book page number 1. Look at the number crunchers. Here are some numbers as you see in these blocks. First number is 12. 12 is going to the number 4 and here is the symbol minus. So 12 will be, you have to do the subtraction and you have to subtract 4 from 12 and the answer is 8. Now this 8 will go to the, in this box, here is the number 2 and the sign is division. So 8 will be divided with 2. So you have to read the table of 2 till 8. 2 4s are 8. So answer is 4. Now this 4 is going to the another box and here is the number 14 and the sign is addition. So this 4 will be added in the 14 number. So you have to add the 4 in the 14 and the answer is 18. When you add 4 plus 4 there is 8 and 1 will be there as it is. So the answer is 18 and we have to write the answer in this box 18. Now students, open your countdown books page number 1. Okay, as I told you about this question on the board, now you have to do the rest of the questions by your own. In C part, similarly as I told you the B part on the board, you have to do the C part. 24 go to the this in this box and here is the number 14 and the symbol is minus. So 14 should be subtract from 24, the answer will be 10. Then this 10 number goes to the another box. Here is the number 2 and the sign is multiplication. So 10 multiply with 2, 10 2s are 20 and then this 20 will go to the another box and here is the number 7 and the symbol is addition. So 20 will be added in the 7. So answer is 27 and then 27 will go to the another box where the number is 20 and the symbol is addition. So 27 will be added in this 20 and the answer is 47. Similarly, you have to do the part D and part E. Now students, open your countdown book page number 2. Here is the topic. Do you remember? Which way should hungry crocodile open his mouth? This crocodile likes to eat the bigger numbers. As you see that here is the mouth of the crocodile and crocodile always eat bigger number. So here is the question number 2 and part A. Here is the number 18 and here is the number 19. Which number is bigger? 19 is the bigger number. So crocodile wants to eat this number and he opens his mouth towards the number 19. Similarly, you have to do the B part. Here is 14 and 24. 24 is the bigger number. So you have to open the crocodile mouth towards the 24. Similarly, you have to do this question. I hope students that you can do this question easily by yourself. Okay. Now come toward the question number 3. Write the numbers that comes before and then the numbers that comes after and then the numbers that comes between. First of all, you have to write the number which comes before these numbers. What comes before 29? 28 will comes before 29. Similarly, 53 comes before 54 and similarly 11 comes before 10. So you have to do this question by your own. You have to do the B part also. What comes after 34? Obviously 35 comes after the 34. What comes after 77? 78 comes after the 77. Similarly, you have to do this part. Now, what comes between? What comes between 22 and 24? 23 comes between the 22 and 24. Similarly, what comes between 39 and 41? 40 comes between the 39 and 41. Similarly, you have to do the part C. Now, dear students, open your countdown books, page number 3. The question is putting in order. As you learn these ascending and descending order in your previous class, now let's recall the ascending and descending order. What are ascending orders? Ascending order means that you have to ordering the numbers from smaller to the bigger. Here are some numbers: 11, 17, 49, 82, 6 and 32. Now you have to put these numbers in ascending order. So what do? You have to write the smaller number first. In these numbers, 6 is the smallest number. So you have to write here 6. Then you have to write 11. Gradually you have to write the numbers which are you have to order these numbers from smaller to greater. Okay, so first of all you have to write smaller number 6, then 11, then 17, then 32, then 49, and in the last you have to write the bigger number. Similarly, here is the part B. Here are some numbers: 14, 87, 27, 19, 86, 78. You have to write these numbers in ascending order. First of all, you have to write the smallest number, 14, then 19, then 27, then 78, then 86 and then 87. So you have to do this rest of the parts by your own. Now come toward the question number 5. Put these numbers in descending order. As you know that descending order means that you have to ordering the numbers from greater to the smallest. So here are some numbers: 66, 14, 41, 63, 68 and 37. Now you have to order these numbers in descending order. First of all, you have to write the bigger number: 68, then 66, then 63, then 41, then 37, and in the last you have to write the smallest number. Similarly, you have to do the part B. You have to put these numbers in descending order. You have to write the biggest number first, then gradually you have to write the numbers, and in the last you have to write the smallest number. Okay students, I hope you have to understand the concept. Inshallah, in our next class, we have to learn about more about the ascending and descending orders. So students, stay safe, stay at your homes. Fi amanillah.